For nearly 4 decades, the Student Alumni Ambassador's Master Teacher Award has stood the test of time as one of the most prestigious hallmarks of achievement at BGSU. As in years past, today's winner received the nod from a very significant constituency on campus, the students, who selected Professor of Journalism and Public Relations, Dr. Terry Rentner. That Dr. Rentner emerged as such a favorite is no surprise. Her selfless approach in the classroom truly fuels a passion for lifelong learning and keeps the emphasis squarely on the student, not the other way around. Even her new scholarly text, You Make the Call, Case Studies in Sport Communication, keeps the pronoun front and center. Among her many achievements, Dr. Rentner has been widely credited for bringing the annual NFL Broadcast Boot Camp to BGSU, a program that engages students to solve real-world issues in real time. And topics her students have tackled in their public relation capstone class have brought actual change to campus. Her teaching philosophy is built on a dual foundation, providing a platform for helping students learn both what they need to know and what they want to know. The combination is powerful, inclusive, challenging, respectful, supportive, and kind. Words that are also reflective of the award itself. An honor unlike any other on campus, recognizing an individual unlike any other. BGSU's newest recipient of the Student Alumni Ambassador's Master Teacher Award, Dr. Terry Rentner.